Just getting ready to throw some color on the cab. It's looking good, man.
What do you want, Don? Let's see what.
Let me give you guys an update. It is now almost June. I started this build on this 86. Yeah, it's kind of a sneak peek of what that gray 86 turned into. I started this build in January. It's now almost June, and this is what I've got done. Yeah, it's stinking ridiculous, man. This grill is not the final mock-up. That GMC thing don't fit on there. But the grill part's fine. I gotta take it all back apart, put the trim around it. But what's the hurry? We don't have the rest of the truck. This junk's been sitting here for a while. It took 2 months to get this, well, it took 6 weeks to get the transmission built. It took 2 months to get the rear end done. And it's taken me since January to get the big block built. And this thing went to the shop probably 1st of April. It's just ridiculous. You know, I'm gonna pick up the engine today, I believe. Bring it home. Hopefully that'll be ready in about a week or so. There's the glass for it, you know. Anyway, so the plan is to get all this done, get cleaned out, bring the truck, the roller home, park it in the middle, and get to work on it. Anyway, let's go get the motor. Better take my engine stand with me. Anyway, very frustrating process. Frustrating process, to say the least. Anyway, so there's a sneak peek. She's gonna be a killer truck when it's done. Holy crap, it's just taking forever. So the body shop has got the bed on, and the cab painted. She is looking good, man. We just painted that part of the dash there. That's all you'll see once the interior is done. Went from gray to that. Turned out phenomenal. Sorry, my finger getting in the way. Looks good. Looks really good. I do not remember if I filmed or not. I got this thing picked up from the body shop, brought her home. And since I got home with it, I put that cross member, Dirty Dingo cross member back there, and some new motor mount purchase. And got the brake lines ran today. Not a real good job. I'm not quite happy with it, but it'll get us in here because tomorrow I'm going to stab the motor in. But there she is, man. Look at that. Sharp, isn't it? No, it turned out really nice. So we're fixing to unload it and get ready to put the 496 in it in the morning.
Watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.